Creamy, dreamy rasta pasta, yeah, you know each bite is awesome. My loves, it is your girl, Gabrielle Reyes. Y'all know me as One Great Vegan, so y'all know I am creating a radical recipe, rainbow-tastic and flavor-tacular. This dish is a taste of the Caribbean islands with its Jamaican jerk and all of its seasoning, spice, and soul. Y'all, let's get in the kitchen, let's get going, let's get glowing, and let's make ourselves a perfect pasta. We're making creamy, dreamy rasta pasta. Yeah, you know each bite is awesome. Taste of jerk is super solid. Better make this pretty often. Habanero, ginger, onion, time to splash a bit of lime on. Blend this up, the sauce is ready. Next we saute up the veggies. Garlic, mushroom, poultry seasoning, then the sauce. Join together, add peppers. Spread that cheese across. Coconut to make it milky. It will disappear too quickly. Had a dig on it. Go enjoy, my loves. Okay, you're gonna be making this for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner. So to get this recipe going and glowing, y'all, first we're gonna make our jerk sauce from scratch. Green, spicy, sweet, everything you need. And get yourself a blender or a food processor. Honestly, it doesn't really matter. So look at all of this freshness. Check it out, check it out. First of all, I got some fresh ginger, about 2 tablespoons of that. I got some green onion, about like 6 or 7 leaf stalks of that. Fresh lime juice, thyme. And then, of course, some Scotch Bonnet. I'm gonna be using a small Scotch Bonnet because I ain't trying to make this too spicy. And then I got my allspice, my cinnamon, my nutmeg, my salt, my pepper, everything up in my little seasoning. I'm gonna add in my ginger first. Jerk sauce, baby. Jerk sauce, jerk sauce. She's spicy, spicy, habanero, ha. She's spicy, spicy. And then, y'all, I got some fresh lime juice. You know your girl is obsessed with adding lime, fresh lime, into everything, especially my Caribbean recipes, my Haitian recipes, my Latin recipes, my island recipes, anything that's just got some more extra spirit and some soul. I got myself my green onions. Let's add that into our blender. I have my thyme right here, fresh thyme, twigs and all, baby. We're gonna grind it all up. Don't worry about that. So I have cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, salt, and pepper up in here. Season it up, baby. Season it up. So I've got my fresh ingredients in here. Next, let's add in our liquid ingredients. I have some oil here. And honestly, if you don't want to use oil, you can use Aquafaba or vegetable broth as well. I'm adding in about 1/4 of a cup into my blender. More seasoning, more spice, more deliciousness. So in here, I have some coconut aminos or liquid aminos, whatever you got, baby. And then I also have some maple syrup. Pour that in, and this is gonna give it that nice, spicy, sweet earthiness that you need in a good jerk sauce. Okay, y'all, so let's blend this baby up, and then, ooh, we will get to cook down all of our vegetables, put in our pasta, and then it'll be so good. Let's just get that jerk sauce in the pot. Let's just get that jerk sauce, lot. Actually, you can use however much that you need. Start off basically how you start off every single other recipe. Cooking is easy and fun when you sing. Onions and vegan butter can make anything. Cooking is easy and fun when you sing. Onions and vegan butter can make anything. So we're gonna start off this recipe with some vegan butter, and then I also have some onions as well as some garlic too we're gonna put up in there. So let's start off with that vegan butter. You can already hear that sizzle cooking on down. Yes, baby, cook, baby, cook, baby, cook. Ooh. We got our white onions into your vegan butter. Add it in there, yes. And y'all, cook these until they are nice and golden brown. About halfway through, we're gonna add in some of our minced up garlic, because you know we gotta add in dynamic flavors, seasonings, and spices along the way too. Add in a splash of some salt. That way, we're gonna make sure we season the whole way through in this recipe, y'all. Ooh, at her cooking on up in our wok. So let's add in that minced up garlic, get it nice and golden brown, and then we can start to add in all of our vegetables. So I have about 2 tablespoons of minced up garlic. So let's cook it up in all that vegan butter and that splash of salt we added in there. I want y'all to check out these oyster mushrooms. Look how juicy these are. We're gonna season them up with some Caribbean seasoning as well as some poultry seasoning. And y'all, we're gonna give it a nice bite of meaty delight. So what I've done is I've actually just chopped up and taken apart the pieces of oyster mushrooms. And we're just gonna dump it into your pan. These mushrooms are looking so good. I need y'all to take a look at these. Take a look at these mushrooms. They are getting so, delectable and meaty and all kinds of good. So next I'm gonna add in my poultry seasoning and just let these cook on down and then add in our bell peppers too. So in goes our poultry seasoning. You don't want a dry mushroom up in here, y'all, because we are adding in depth of flavor, seasoning, spice. And y'all, mushrooms are so healthy for you, okay? Come on. You're telling me I can eat something that is meaty and delicious, that grows very easily, that's not expensive, and it's good for my body? Come on now. That alone makes me want to sing and dance in the kitchen. I think it's about time to add in our bell peppers. So let me go get my rainbow-tastic goodness right here and just add it all into your pan. Take about 10 to 15 minutes to cover and coat these, periodically stirring it. You can go do some other things if you need to. Go make yourself some celery juice. Go make yourself a cute little salad on the side. And while you're doing that, just stir this periodically, mixing in all of that vegan chicken, aka our mushroom, along with that butter and the onions and the garlic, and just make sure these are all cooking down. Add in your sauce, add in your jerk sauce, add in your sauce, add in your jerk sauce, add in your sauce, add in your jerk sauce, add in your jerk sauce, add it into the pan. I am mixing this together in all of that habanero, maple syrup, liquid amino, allspice, nutmeg, ginger goodness. Okay, so you know every single bite of this is going to be bomb just based on the fact that I put so much love, seasoning, and spice and soul up in that jerk sauce, y'all. I got cashew and coconut, ooh. I got myself some full-fat coconut milk and that cashew cheese, y'all. This is gonna be so good. In fact, I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm gonna get myself a little slice of this cheese because it's so good. Melt in your mouth. It's about that time to add in our full-fat coconut milk, about 1 cup. And then we're gonna add in our vegan cheese too, y'all. You can add in, honestly, any kind of vegan cheese. This is cashew based, but I suggest getting a mozzarella vegan cheese. That's really just gonna help this whole recipe make sense and get that ultimate creamy texture. So next, let us mix this all together. Turn up your heat to medium high. All of that cheese you'll start to see break apart and start to join into the peppers and the mushrooms and the onions and all of the goodness. If you need to, obviously you can add in more coconut milk, more vegetable broth, whatever you got to do to make sure that those bell peppers and those mushrooms are cooked down to the way that you like it. Y'all, our pasta is ready. She is cooked al dente, a little bit firm, some pasta water still in there at the bottom. Let's add that into our pan and we're gonna gently stir this all together, and then we get to eat, which is the best part of this recipe. Best part of this recipe, best part of this recipe is that we get to eat. Best part of this recipe, best part of this recipe, best part of this recipe is that we get to eat. Whoa, get to eat. Our pasta is ready to get going and glowing inside of our mouth. Let's serve it up and finish it off with a little bit of green onion, my loves. Creamy, dreamy rasta pasta, yeah, you know each bite is awesome. Taste the drink is super solid, better make this pretty often. Creamy, dreamy rasta pasta, better make this often. Check it out, this decadent pasta, rasta pasta, full of flavor. Let's add on that green onion and let's dig on in, my loves. Y'all, let's get myself a bite of everything. Let me get some of that mushroom, bell pepper, pasta cheesiness. Ooh. Mmm. 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 Yo, we're gonna have to say some words. Yo. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so good. That was a religious experience. I have been saved. For real, y'all. This recipe just took my breath away. I have no words for how decadent and delightful every single bite of this creamy, dreamy rasta pasta is. Y'all, I had such an incredible time vibing, singing, doing what we do, cooking up something fierce and fabulous and rainbow-tastic. If you want to get more recipes just like this, go to my website, onegreatvegan.com. Get yourself a copy of my cookbook, Colorful Home Cooking with Gabrielle Reyes. Y'all, there are so many dynamic Jamaican, Puerto Rican, soul food. Everything is good. Over 120 recipes in there, y'all. So get yourself a copy of my cookbook, and I cannot wait to see y'all up in my kitchen doing what you do, singing your song, doing your dance, and speaking your truth. Goodbye, my loves. Goodbye.